Unlock the secrets to crafting captivating progressive house anthems using only the tools already built into your digital audio workstation. First, let's sculpt a signature sound by designing our core elements. We'll start with a warm, evolving pad in your synthesizer. Select a basic waveform, perhaps a sine or triangle wave. Load up a stock phaser and a tasteful delay. Crafting a slow attack and a long release on your envelope will give it that signature progressive shimmer. Next, we'll build a driving kick and a resonant bassline for the kick. Layer a low-pass sine wave with a short transient click to give it punch. The bass can be a saw wave with a touch of saturation for warmth and a low-pass filter with a subtle envelope modulation to create that classic rolling feel. Now, the crucial stage: arrangement and mixing. Think in terms of building energy. Start sparse, introducing elements. Gradually develop a classic progressive structure: an intro, a breakdown, a build-up, and a main drop. Use silence effectively and introduce white noise sweeps and risers during transitions to heighten anticipation in the mixer. Ensure your kick and bass have a solid foundation. Use EQ to carve out frequencies so they don't mask each other. A touch of compression on the bass will help it sit consistently for the pad. A bit of reverb and a chorus effect will add spaciousness and movement. Pan your percussion elements to create a wider stereo image. Finally, the mastering touch: to bring it all together, apply a touch of saturation to glue the mix and add subtle harmonic excitement. A carefully dialed multiband compressor can even out the dynamics across the frequency spectrum, taming any problematic resonant frequencies. And finally, a limiter to bring the overall level up without introducing audible distortion. Remember, less is often more in mastering. The goal is clarity, punch, and a professional loudness. With these techniques, you're well on your way to creating your own professional sound progressive house tracks, all powered by the stock plugins you already have.